Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video, I'll be showing you all how to make money by just socializing with people. If you are someone who loves posting pictures of your daily life and would really like making money from it, then go for it. Now this is the website guys, it's called webtalk.com. I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description box below. So if you are really interested, you can click on that and register yourself. Now it's just in beta stage and you will be able to create an account only if you are invited. So I will leave an invite link below. So it's like you can use my invite link to join this website if you are not. If you have already signed up but don't know what this website actually is, I'll be explaining you each and every detail about this website and how you can make money by just posting pictures. So this is a great website guys, it's legit. But before that, if you are interested in making money online, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now back to our topic. This web talk is very similar to Facebook. Just for an example. So if you're posting a picture in Facebook, you will be engaging with all your friends, all your community, and you will be getting likes and things, and you will be liking someone else post. But are you really getting paid? Like, I'm not just talking about Facebook, I'm just saying it like in here web talk you will be getting paid if you're going to engage with your audience, like engage with your friends, your circle. So that's all about it. Like, you're going to make money for every like, every comment, and every share that you're going to make here. So if you're going to share a post, you will be getting around 10 points. So it will be in points guys. So it's very simple. You will be getting in points and that points will be converted to dollars and you will be getting paid every month. Now this website is in beta stage. So if you are registering it now while it is in beta stage, you will be able to make referral income for about 5 levels deep. So something like, say for example, you can also make money from referring. So that is what I'm trying to tell you. It's like if you are going to refer one person, say for example person A is referring person B, and you will be getting referral income from person B if they are going to buy some premium subscription plans or any purchase that they are making from WebTalk. If not, say B is inviting another 10 people and you will be also getting 10% of referral income from all the 10 people that B have invited. So it's like that. And the most important thing that I really loved about WebTalk was you can actually manage all the circles. Like when you're posting a picture, say for example, I'm just posting a picture that is very personal, that I really wanted to share with only my family and very close circle friends. So I can actually manage it. In Facebook, you can't actually do it, right? You have a close circle and you have friends only, you have visible to all option and only me. So here you don't have that problem. You have friends, family, colleagues, co-workers, and so many other stuff. So you can post picture that is visible to everyone or visible to your specific group. So that I really loved about it. And here getting paid, you have to collect around $100, which is I think a bit heavy. The threshold is heavy, but still one you can just get the payout only through Payoneer, and that will be once in a month. So now it's in beta stage guys, so hurry up, make your account here, register yourself so that you can make money when it's available to all. Now it's just only for invites. So I will leave my invite link below in the description box. So if you like it, you can just start off registering yourself in this site. So major ways of making money from this site, I'll make it as a bullet point. Number one will be like socializing with your family, friends, and other circles. Just by liking, commenting, sharing, you will be making money. And most importantly, the amount of time that you are spending here, say for example if you're going to stay for half an hour, you will be getting around 10 points or something. So it's like that. Even if you're going to stay here for a longer time, you will be making money guys. So that's a great thing here. And you have searchable tags, you have so many other things which is very similar to other social media. Number two will be referring people. So if you're inviting 10 people and that 10 people are referring another 10, you will be getting paid for another 5 levels of people who are joining, like 5 levels deep, like A inviting B, B inviting C, C inviting D, and D inviting E. And all these like around say for example it's around 100 people, and you will be getting paid for all of them when they are registering for a premium purchase or a subscription in this website. So that's all about it, guys. So this is a great opportunity. Like, you don't have to waste time just scrolling over the feed and not making anything. They're actually giving out 50% of the income, advertising income. Say for example, have you ever seen Facebook advertisements, Instagram advertisements, something like that, guys? Have you ever seen it? I think you would have. So here also in webtalk you have sponsored post. So for that, when you are here engaging, when you have so much of audience, the website webtalk earns money from the advertisements. So they are sharing their income to all of us who are engaging and inviting lots of people, lots of audience to this website. So I think this is a great opportunity, guys, and it's legit. You can make money from this if you have already registered, and if you have already withdrawn an amount of money from this website. Make sure you comment it, and make sure you let me know about how it went for you and how the experience was with this website. And you can also find my profile here. We'll be friends there. I'm really eager to meet you guys there also. So that's all about this video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So if you have any suggestions or doubts, you can let me know in the comments below. And that's all about the video, guys. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.